What's in my hair? A paperclip? Wait, why are there so many of them? For the first idea, you need a plastic egg from a Kinder Surprise and a strip of green Foamiran. Cut the edge of the strip like this. Decorate with sparkles and apply hot glue. Roll it up. Straighten the leaves and attach to the plastic egg. Draw eyes and a mouth with a black marker. Decorate the egg with ticks. Now take a nail polish. Apply white glare on the eyes. Use a pink varnish to draw an expressive blush. Whom do we have here? They are the Pineapple Brothers. Didn't you play the home role in the SpongeBob cartoon? I hope that Paperclips will also feel at home. And now we will tell you how to turn an ordinary white organizer into a stylish kawaii thing. Draw a silhouette of an animal with its ears sticking out on one side. Color it with pink acrylic paint. Paint the other walls of the organizer in blue. Fasten pieces of beige Foamiran. Add some pink bangs. Use a marker to draw black round eyes. Fasten an oval from Foamiran. Draw the nose and the mouth. Glue the paws. Decorate the llama with pink pom-poms. What a soft coat she has! This soft llama copes perfectly with its mission to maintain order among school notebooks. No mess and no more drama. Now we have a pink llama. And for this idea, you need some colored zippers. To begin with, take 2 zippers and glue them together like this. Use the hot glue gun. Add the zippers to make a rainbow mat. Connect the extreme fasteners to each other. Turn it inside out. Cut out black circles and 2 triangles with a rounded base from the Foamiran. Glue the triangles together to form a cone. Use the hot glue gun to attach it to your workpiece. Something is missing. Oh yes, the eyes! The pencil case is ready. Pull any zipper and the pencil case will open. Such a pencil drawer can be used as a basic pencil case, or you can fold your supplies for drawing lessons in it. Finally, it's time to upgrade the eraser. Glue it over with colored paper on a self-adhesive basis. Draw crescents and stripes on a piece of soft fabric. Cut them out. Fold the rectangle in half and sew it by hand. Turn it inside out using scissor blades. Do the same with the rest of the pieces. Glue them together like this. Lay out a face from pieces of Foamiran. It turns out a kawaii kitten. Glue it to the eraser with hot glue. Just imagine, you are drawing with this nice fluffy kitten lying beside you instead of the boring eraser. It immediately rushes to your rescue as soon as you need it. Good kitty! Meow, meow! For this idea, you are going to need brown felt. Cut out 2 brown pyramids. Sew them manually. Put the body of a thick marker inside. Glue black eyes. Attach a red tongue. Add the glare using a whiteout. This emoji marker does not have to be monochrome. It is so boring. Let's add some more color. Red, blue, or any other color you like. Check on paper. This marker draws all the colors of the gradient. Excellent work, bro! And it's such a cutie pie by itself. And now take the whiteout and some fluffy modeling clay. Mask the boring bottle with a bright layer of clay. Make the body of a savanna resident, a giraffe. Fasten 4 legs. The giraffe belongs to the group of ungulates, so divide the hooves into 2 parts. The cap of the whiteout will make a great neck. Mold the head. Attach the horns and ears to it. Attach the round eyes. Cover the giraffe's body with the brown spots. This funny whiteout will always be with you now. With such a competent giraffe, you will always have the right to make a mistake. After all, fixing it is easy peasy. For the next life hack, take pieces of felt of different colors. Cut out silhouettes of animals. That's a nice sea company, a crab, a seal, and a baby whale. Draw eyes with a marker. The nose. Do not limit yourself in design. Take a clamp for each baby. Fasten the animals to the clamps with office glue. Kawaii bookmarks are ready! If you need to find the right notes in the notebook, they are your best helpers. This is so cute! And for this life hack, take a plastic egg. Cut it through the equator. Draw the pattern of the open egg on a piece of white Foamiran with sequins. Cut it out. Make a round hole in one of the halves. Fasten a pencil sharpener. Glue the pattern to the egg. Use the hot glue gun. Decorate the contour with a silver cord. Well, what's an egg without a yolk? Glue a circle of gold Foamiran. Draw kawaii faces on both halves. Pierce the holes with an awl. Unbend the paper clips. Insert them into the holes. You should get the arms and the legs. The smart sharpener is ready. Of course you can't cook eggs out of it, but it does its job well. Uh-oh, I almost forgot about the most important office tool, the pen. Take a rectangular piece of fabric. Fold it in half and sew the halves together. Turn it inside out. Sew one of the ends. Insert the pen and tighten the fabric. Insert the filler from the other side. Secure with a silicone rubber band. And what do you need this piece of fabric for? Oh, right, for the cap! Do everything as you did last time. Sew it and tighten it. Put the cap on the pen. Now this is not just a pen, but also a candy. Decorate it with beads. Draw a pretty face with a black marker. The main task of this pen is to make the day bright and make you smile. In addition, this candy also writes well. Now take rectangles from orange and yellow felt. Cut out such details. Cut a comb and round eyes from purple and black felt. Glue all the parts to the yellow base. Use the hot glue gun. What a beautiful bird! Glue white glare. Do not ignore the beak. Decorate it with chenille sticks. The designer's case for scissors is ready. It looks very funny because the eyes match the scissor rings. Cover the scissors, and the bird seems to be wearing glasses. Do standard notebook covers look too boring? A piece of Foamiran comes to the rescue again. Cut out a rectangle with a pointed top in the shape of the notebook. Then cut out a face with ears and an oval cut in the middle from white Foamiran. Cut out the missing details from pieces of multicolored Foamiran. Glue them to the white workpiece. It turns out a kawaii puppy with a long tongue. Add the legs and the nose using a marker. Use the hot glue gun to attach the puppy to the cover of the notebook. Glue a pink tie. Attach a piece of Foamiran of the appropriate shape to the backside. Decorate the cover with pink beads. Thanks to the oval cutout, you can hold the notebook as a glamorous handbag. It's nice to come home and know that there's always a cute and loyal Hachiko waiting for you. For this idea, take 2 sheets of paper of different shades of blue. Draw the blanks. Cut out the details along the contour. The lion's wavy mane we will have will be a little harder to make. Glue the parts together using a glue stick. Glue the paws. Color the face with a marker. Fasten a gold bow. It turned out a nice bookmark, but our lion cub will be bored alone, so we made a girlfriend for him. She's cute, isn't she? Kawaii lions will hold the pages of the book firmly with their paws so you won't lose the right chapter. Did you like our cute ideas for the office? Which one did you want to repeat right away? Write about it in your comment under the video. And don't forget to put a like, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss more of Troom Troom Select's Kawaii life hacks for school supplies.